Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to use 2, 3, 4 edges to create surface. Let's open the file. Using 2, 3, 4 edges to make a surface. You can download the file from our website. Go to the top view first. If we want to find a tool to create a surface, where should we go? Surface creation tool, right? Let us find the command. Surface from 2, 3, or 4 edges curves. So I need to draw at least 2 curves first. Just draw curved line. Okay. I copy one. Let us try this command. You see, we made a surface. Also, if you want to add another curved line, we also can make the surface. Let us try 3 edges. You see, we made another surface. If you want to have a closed surface, you can use 2 edges or 4 edges. Let us draw another one. Let's try it again. We get another form. Cool. Okay. Then let's have a look how to build the model. First, we go to the polygon command. We check the numbers of size 3. Cool. And draw a point and draw a triangle shape. We need to explode it. If we don't explode it, let me copy one. Explode the first one, and then go to rebuild my curved lines. Okay, with 3 points with 2 degrees. Okay, when I turn on the control points for the first one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 control points. But if I don't explode the second one, go to rebuild the curved line with 3 points, 2 degrees. You see the line is changed to the curved line. Okay, because after I exploded the first one line changed to 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's why. Go to the top view again. You need to add these models first. It will make your computer works much quicker. And then turn on the control points again. Drag them up like this. And then I use create surface from 2, 3, 4 edges. 1, 2, 3. The next thing I need to tell you is when you select your first line, the isocurve line, the structure line will towards to the opposite way. This is our first one, so the isocurve towards to this way. Let us have a look. Press enter. You see the isocurve towards to the opposite way, right? If we draw a surface like this, press enter, it has different structured lines. Okay. The next thing we need to do is array it 360 degrees. Find our axis here, 6. Okay, 360 full circle. Press enter. Okay, we get this form. And then we use array along curve. This one, linear array. We want to have maybe 12. Press enter. Okay, and copy them. Input copy command and select a point. This is a good point. Okay, just go here. If you want to copy more, we can select them all again. Input copy command. Make it quick. Press enter. Okay. Then we go to build a cylinder form. Okay, go to the box tool, solid creation, cylinder. Draw cylinder like this. And we use arrow surface. We learned it before. Because we want to get the side surface, right? Go to find arrow surface. Where is it? This one, arrow developable surface. Click it, press enter, and just delete this too. And this is our surface, the base surface, because we need to use flow along surface. Then we need a base surface. Okay, so we delete this. To delete this and this one. Go copy. Okay. And also we need to delete this. Hold your shift and control to unselect them. Delete. Okay. And the next thing is select all of the surface and hold your control and select the base surface and find our flow along surface comment. Read your comment, select your base surface. This is our base surface and your target surface. The target surface is this one. Okay guys, let us review how did we build the model and what we learned for this tutorial. The first thing we learned how to use 2, 3, 4 edges to create surface, right? This comment, we need to explode the lines and then we rebuild our curved lines. This is the third one, rebuild curved lines. And then polar array, right? Polar array. And then we used linear array, arrow surface, right? We used a lot of comments for this tutorial. So practice, guys. Thank you.